Since starting my YouTube channel, one of the biggest questions I always get is what do I film with? Well, I'm going to show you guys everything that I am taking on my Vegas trip, which is in 2 weeks, you guys. I'm going to show you everything I'm taking on the trip. I got a lot of new equipment. I'm super excited for the trip. My phone is going off. That's one of my equipment things I do use on my trips and everything like that. But let's go over all the things that I'm going to be using on my Vegas trip. If you're new here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit that little bell for notifications so you'll be the first one notified when I post a brand new video. Some of this stuff I'm about to show you guys, I have not opened yet. And I'm not going to just show you the equipment. At the end of this video, you're going to have to stay tuned because I'm going to show you some clips from some of the equipment. And there's going to be a link in the description for all the equipment I use so you can pick up some of this equipment if this is something you want to use on your next trip, your next vlog, or your next vacation. Since my phone keeps going off, I might as well show you the phone I got. It's a Motorola G7 Supra, not a bad phone. I use it a lot for my live streams because I am over 1K on YouTube. I don't have to use any apps or anything like that, and they can super chat me too if so choosing. But I use my Motorola G7 Supra Cricket wireless. Not the greatest service, but it is a good phone. Has a really high-end battery, 5,000 megahertz, so the battery lasts a long time. I've actually done a 6-hour stream on this phone and it doesn't die. So this is one of the main things I do use for live streaming. And I got some other things in here for live streaming, but this is what I do use for my live streams. Now I'm going to show you a few things that I have recently upgraded that I have used. I use this for doing my live streams. It has a little built-in mic and whatever. You can actually vlog like that and do your live streams while you're walking. But the problem with this thing, it is super bumpy, and I don't know if I'll be bringing this on my Vegas trip because I actually have upgraded, which this thing is another thing that is still in the box that I have not unpacked yet and worked on it, but OSMO Mobile 3 Gimbal. It's supposed to hold a little heavier phone, which mine is a little bit heavier phone. It's not too heavy, but with the case and everything like that, which I might have to take the case off. But we got the OSMO Mobile 3. DJI makes this. I have not opened that yet, so I'll probably take this instead of taking the old live stream DigiPower. It's actually a Walmart brand, $40 for this one. This actually cost me $175, I believe, $150, $175. So it should work really good. It should be great for the live streams, keep the stability and everything like that. Next up, one of the things I love to use, especially if you're going underwater or you just want to do some walkthrough streams or anything like that. I need to shut off this phone. It's making all kinds of noise. You guys already seen the phone. Let's go ahead and power that off before we hear beeps and bumps and bangs the whole freaking time. So I picked up the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the 4K live streaming edition, not the regular basic one. So this one's super awesome, has a really good camera on it. I have not personally opened this and used this one. You'll definitely see what it's looking like. I know it's got a pretty good audio system on it for just being, you know, the actual GoPro. And it came with this little travel kit which has waterproof housing and a little tripod and a little neck thing. You can actually hang it around your neck and do your actual viewing, your vlog, whatever you're doing around your neck as you're walking or whatever. Also, this thing live streams, so if you hook up an app to your phone, you can actually do a live stream straight from your GoPro, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of people said it takes a lot of space on your phone to run this app, but for that, that's what we use for our underwater walking, walkthroughs, all kinds of stuff like that. I used to have an Activision 1080p, it just wasn't doing the job. I actually picked this one up at bestbuy.com for $229. It was on sale, so I definitely had to pick that up. Like you see, right here, I have not opened the package yet, but I do plan on opening it up. And with this, I actually purchased the Guru Gear travel accessory GoPro kit. Has the chest strap, the head strap, all kinds of stuff. Like I said before, I have not opened this yet, but I am going to bring this on my trip. I can hook my GoPro up in here and everything like that. Use it as a little case for the trip, and it's a hard case too, so that's pretty cool. But you can hook it around your chest, your head. They have a little wrist strap and everything like that. I think they even have the backpack strap that you put on your backpack. So if you want to do a little walkthrough video, you don't want to be holding the camera up, making it too obvious, clip it to your backpack, put it on your chest, put it on your head. Your head might be a little obvious, but if you're doing any kind of biking or anything like that, the GoPro is definitely going to be awesome. Now they do have the 8 out there, but I opt to get the 7 for, it was like $150, $200 less. I heard it's just as good. So we got the 7, so that's going to be a very vital thing on our trip. Now, me being a vlogger, my main thing that I do on my channel, you got to have a good vlogging camera. Well, I've been using the Nikon A900 Coolpix vlogging camera for a long time. Well, not a long time, probably about a year and a half, somewhere around there, which is kind of a long time in YouTube years, you should say. But this has actually served me pretty well. It's actually a 4K camera, although I've never really recorded in 4K resolution. But check it out, guys. It's a pretty decent camera, small, compact, has the flip-up screen, 1080p camera. But the problem with this one right here is it's bad in low lighting. A lot of cameras these days will actually transition from low light to high light to dark light, you know, all that kind of stuff. This one really doesn't do it. So for a long time, I've been wanting a new vlogging camera. I know what you guys are thinking right now. JT, what about the Canon? Bingo, we got it, guys. We finally got it. After being on YouTube 2.5 years, finally my dream is kind of coming true. I'm actually having the means to get better equipment. Thanks to you guys for supporting the channel, showing the love at all times. But we did pick up the Canon G7X Mark II, used by most vloggers out there. I was going to get the 3 because it does have an external mic port, but I didn't want to spend $700. So I picked this one up for $555, which it did come with the creative vlogging pack, which I will show you all that stuff right now. But check it out, you guys. Yeah, it's really good in low lighting. It has, of course, the flip-up screen. And the difference between this one and the Nikon is the screen is bigger. Like, the actual picture of the screen is bigger. So that is awesome. I'm super excited about this one right here. This is going to be the main camera. I might bring the other one, still undecided yet if I'm going to bring the other camera, maybe for a backup or whatnot. I obviously don't want to be carrying way too much equipment, but if one of the cameras does crap out on you, then you have a backup. So I'm still on the fence whether I want to bring the Nikon, but I know this is going to be the main camera that I'm going to be using on the trip. Also, I'm going to show you the little accessory kit that came with it. It was a little bit extra, but I also picked this up on bestbuy.com. The Creative Video Creator Kit by Canon. I'm sure you guys are thinking, well, what's in the kit, JT? All right, let's show you guys what is in the kit. Okay, it came with this tripod, which is the Manfrotto tripod, really good tripod, so it's really good for vlogging, as you guys can see on the back right there. It's really good for vlogging, and you can set it up and do a time lapse and whatnot. It also came with this 32 gig SanDisk SD card. Came with that, and it also came with your charger, which came in the box, but it came with the extra battery. You see the extra battery in there. So I'm super pumped up for these kind of accessories. Like I said, I'll show you some footage of all this camera and all this equipment that I am using on my next Vegas trip. So there'll be a link in the description where you can pick up all this. I'll have a little affiliate link. I'll make a couple bucks on each one of the items, but you're definitely going to have to pick up some of this equipment. If you see something you like, stay tuned for the end of the video. You will see some of the footage. I will head up to the park and you will see some of the footage from all the cameras and all the accessories I will be using on my Vegas trip. Much love to everybody that always watches my videos. Shout out to my 3,300 subscribers. Hopefully this Vegas trip puts us over the top. Catch my live streams and everything in Vegas. If you want to be a part of the slot pool, definitely stay tuned for that. But make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of this awesome content. Salute to all you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, and we will see you for the next one.
I know.
We are over here at Holiday Park. I am testing out the Canon G7X Mark II. Follow my journey as I walk around the park and take some amazing shots of the pond. We got this awesome train behind us. Stay tuned for the journey.
Last time